Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export a KNIME workflow. All right. So first up, open up your KNIME Analytics platform. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to your workflows. Okay. Double click on a workflow to open it up. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top left and we have this drop down. All right. Near the save button. Just click on the drop down and here we have export. And alternatively, you can just go ahead and press Ctrl+E to export your workflow. Okay, just click on it and here we have the workflow to export. Okay, that's just the title. And if this is not the one, just click on select and select the workflow. Okay, once that's done, the destination right here, if you want to save it on a different place, click on browse. For example, I want to save it on my desktop. I'm going to click on desktop. Right here, if you want to create a new folder, right click on new and go to folder right here, rename it, for example, KNIME workflow, like so, tap away, then double click on the folder and then hit on save. Once done, hit on finish and you're good to go. All right. When we check it out, we have the KNIME workflow folder right here. I'm going to double click on it and here we have the workflow ready for sharing. Or directly open up KNIME right here by just double clicking on this workflow and it will open up the workflow itself. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.